Hello everyone! I'm back with my daily life episode. Last weekend, I visited my hometown Gwangju and went a random flea market there. It was the day after the Halloween, but the atmosphere there was still spooky. Yay, I love you too, Skeleton. You don't have to keep opening your mouth like that. I'm worrying about his jaw. Being something scary in a Halloween is definitely not easy as we saw. So, this place is like this. Half with food trucks and the rest half is mostly handmade sellers. Honestly, I'm here for some snacks, and the amount of food trucks here made me a bit disappointed. But unexpectedly, I have something that made me so happy, which is the music. The 90s music. At the time, like most teens, I used to listen to every single song released and definitely enjoyed them. I was even in a fan club for a boys group called God. Anyway, let's go hunting for some snacks. Alright, let's start from this Oko Taco set. And when I came to this truck for another snack, do you find something unnatural here? Yes, Koreans do make mistakes too in Korean. 카드 결제 가능. Look at these words. Each of the words is meant to be cards, paying, and possible, respectively. But the problem is that paying should be 결제, not 결제. Of course, the sounds are so similar. So if you want to know further how to distinguish A and E sound, please follow the link above and check. So, the two words are one of the most confusing words even among Koreans. For 결제, it is paying, but for 결제, it is approval from your boss. So please be careful, especially when you write them down. Not to make the same mistake as the owner of this truck did. Whatever letter she wrote, I bought the food anyway. And it still tastes nice. Yum yum. Thanks for watching and have a yummy day. Bye.